I'm back and this is the balls I got, and I'm gonna put them in here. So wait, of course, I forgot about this. I need gloves. Gloves. So I'm gonna put them in my hands. They're a bit big, but oh well. Okay, let's. Oh. So I'm gonna put them in these two balls right over here. I'll just put this back because, oh my god, that was, okay. Sorry. I guess I'll just, oh no, I'm literally really bad at this. Okay. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. It's really okay because at least we have to get at least we can make a new soap. And yeah, so next thing is we are going to melt these, and yeah. So I'll be back when I finish melting them in the like oven or something. It's kind of hot, so my mom is gonna do it for me. Okay, so I am back, and I am going to yeah, put them. Oh, that's hot. I have to put this back on before I do anything else. So okay, let's just do it like this. And are we supposed to put this here or something? Okay, anyway, so we're gonna put this color. Are we supposed to like, wait, let me tell. Are we supposed to use this or something? I have no clue, but oh, I think I have a clue. So I'm back, and are we supposed to do it like this? Oh my god. It looks like blood. Blue, and I'm gonna, oh my god. So next is I'm gonna put this thing. And now I'm gonna mix it with this wooden spoon. Gonna mix it. Ooh, this is really cool. This looks like slime or something, but whatever. Ooh, gooey. Okay, so next I'm gonna get this one because I don't want to like. Okay, next is I'm gonna pour this into my unicorn thing. So I'm super excited. Okay, let it drip for like a little bit. Ooh, this is really nice. Okay, let's just pour the whole thing in or something. Yeah. Nice. That's actually really cool. I wanna know. This is kind of gooey or something. And I'm gonna put this here and use this one. It's actually not that good because I'm like really bad at putting and spreading stuff, so don't mind that. So I'm just gonna do a little bit more, and same as this one because I think I don't put that much into this one because it's actually kind of dry up. Oh, but I believe that you have to. It's dry now. What the? Now I can't do it anymore. Oh well, who cares? It's okay. At least we have a soap, right? It doesn't matter about shapes. So I'm just gonna put this here, and maybe I can melt it one day and make it as like a soap or something. And I'm gonna let this sit, and I will see you guys and talk to you guys when it's done. Okay, so guys, yeah, it's dry now, and so this is the hard one. Our baby brother touch it. It's kind of loopy, but oh well. Oh, okay. And this one is the unicorn one, and this one works really well. So I'm gonna try doing it.
Before the tension, look there.
But before that, like, it's really cool. Yay! It works really, really well.
Smells well.
This smells really good.
Can I smell?
Yes, it does.
It smells like strawberry. I didn't even smell it.
Yes.
I didn't even smell it, but I'm just going to smell it.
Oh, no. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys.